Facebook has released a brand new app called Forum, making it easy to keep up with all your Facebook groups. Want to try it out for yourself? I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to download and install Forum by Facebook. Note that this video will demonstrate on iPhone, but written instructions for both Android and iOS will be listed in the description box. Now let's get started. To download Forum, first open the App Store. Go to the Search tab. Then type in Facebook Forum in the search bar. Tap Forum, a Facebook app, when it appears in the search results. Then tap Get. If prompted, use Face ID or enter your password to confirm that you want to download the app. Wait for the installation to complete. Then tap Open to start using the Forum app. That's all it takes to download Forum by Facebook. For more helpful Facebook tips and tricks, check out our full playlist of Facebook tutorials. Click the playlist on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.